Napaka-heartfelt mong pagkakanta mo. Kayo na ba nag-draw ng inspiration?
Hey bro.
Hey bro.
Parang may bro tong album na to at itong awitin na ito.
Congratulations guys!
Ngayon po, ako po ang may bukas na album sa lahat ng nag-bar. So, inspiration ng album ko ito. Sana po makakuha ko ngayon.
And also, for syempre ng success ng album nila, si CJ Laranilla, and of course, ang lahat po ng artists na nagkakaroon dito sa album. Congratulations! Alright, congratulations! At once na namin pang surprise ang ibibigay namin, here are Jericho Rosales, Richard Boone, and Noel Cabahon!
Okay, your supporters and fans, Noel, do say that this is so overdue.
Kabangon. Kabangon.
You guys stand and say that's of your album. Yeah. Maraming salamat din sa lahat na bumili ng yung album and for making this album the #1 album in all music stores for the last 15 weeks. So congratulations.
Well, it's my first time to be with a major label, and thank you very much for this really big opportunity. Maraming salamat sa Universal Records for giving me this opportunity, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumuporta at bumili ng album. Maraming this for all of us.
Congratulations again.
Yes, sir. Congratulations. It's an honor to share the stage with you. Thank you. Okay, up next, mas matinding kantahan sa Grand Face-Off only here on Asapix 3. Kantahan.
Gandahan. Ganda at kanta. Eko! Eko! Kasi iba yung mag-isip. Ano nangyayari? Ano nangyayari? Palitan mo na daw, Tinlin!